Background. Yan ang resto. Malaki siya, pero hindi na ako nakapag-video mabuti. Or kung papunta kami dito kasi na-assist kami kanina. Yan. Namimili na kami ng food to order. Pakita ko sa inyo yung menu nila. So, here's their menu. There you go. So, of course, ito ang pinaka gusto namin i-try. Beef Wellington. So, mili muna kami, nakakainin namin, and I'll update you later. Okay na. And starter. May pa-free silang bread. Tapos, iba-ibang klase daw ng bread nila. So, sourdough. Tapos, apricot ba to? Apricot. Tapos, lavash? Tama ba? Nakalimutan ko pangalan nito. Basta't yan. Tapos, unsalted butter. Wow! So guys, I ordered this special cocktail. Wala daw to sa menu nila. So, ito lang yung nila. Special cocktail nila. Tawag nila is Most Beautiful Beef. Tada! Sarap din niya. Now, the next one is our starters. This is the wings and the biscuit. So, here's our main course. So, this is fish and chips with tartar sauce and the famous beef Wellington. Then, we're gonna pour the gravy. Or, later na lang pala kasi we're going to taste muna. And, let's eat. Guys, yun na kinakain na namin. So, sobrang sarap niya. As medium rare. Pero sobrang sarap.
Medium?
Medium.
Wala silang medium rare.
So walang medium rare. So yun guys, kinain na namin siya. Sobrang sarap niya as in. Tapos ang bango pa. Tapos wala silang medium rare.